Hi everyone, so welcome back to my another video. So we're gonna see in this video we can speak English or we can speak to stranger. It's a possible. So we're gonna discuss in this video the lot of the detail about that because of I'm also like speaking with the strangers. I'm also trying to speak the English, but yeah, I'm still the trying to speak English and make better than the before the yesterday. And also even I am the bad at English or the good at English. I am not the worry about that, but I am keep making some of the English video for the content for the every beginner or the some of the people. So guys, in my surrounding, so much of people that are watching me, but still I am the making video for reason is they show my the confidence and even I am I am building the some of the confidence. Some of time I am the smiley facing or the some of time I'm the rude my face. I don't know the what is the reason, but it is a fine because of we can just speak English, but it is so much of that difficult to like the strangers speak because of if you try to speak with the stranger, you should the passion needed and also you should the listening and also the more you putting the effect with the someone you attract to the attention you should then the needed while speaking the English and also you can make the confidence while you speaking it is a key matter and also but the some of time there are like miss the judge there are don't understand it is a fine but you believe yourself you can speak English and you can the make video you should the practice every day so that is the key guys so no one they care about yourself but you should they care about yourself because of we know we can do it for the someone to other people but that is the key guys but if you are the introvert or the something so if you have the low confidence so around so many people are there are doing the different kind of the things so ignore that if you have the some of the plan you do it don't the if I doing some people are the judge to me so don't worry about that it is the key guys like I'm also initially so much of thing worry about that so after that I decided I am not do that so if you think if you're asking me don't do don't do that now are you if you're asking me my answer is no because of I am trying to make myself I'm trying to like don't repeat those kind of things but it is affected for me so I will try to ignore that we can do it so that's the reason I am the mention here so and also if you have the build a confidence while speaking the English so it is the show your capability or the something if someone there are the rejected it is the fine because of there are if you're thinking we are the then not capable for that question if you are thinking it is a bad because of if you know yourself so that's a key and also you can speak with some people it is a fine you didn't speak in the English it is a fine but you keep practicing so that is the key guys and also I think this video I have discussed this kind of thing so if you like this or if you the relatable this video or if you make any helpful for this video so please like and share and subscribe my channel and if you have any suggestions so please let me know in the comment section I will sure the make that video in my future so nothing else we are learning the together and also we are the improve our skills or our behavioral so it is the key guys so don't forget to watch my video and follow my channel it is the helpful for you I'm also a beginner so give some motivation for me it is helpful for my posting the video upcoming video okay thanks for the watching we're gonna see next video